Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Odyssey passenger side mirror. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. A small pocket screwdriver or pick will also be very useful for prying off small trim pieces. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's begin by removing the old mirror. Start by carefully prying off the small trim cap inside the door handle. Next, remove the 2 Phillips head screws you'll find there and one under the armrest. Use your trim tool to gently pry the door panel away, releasing its clips. Disconnect the window switch harness and door handle cables. Finally, unplug the mirror's electrical connector and remove the 3 10mm nuts holding the mirror in place. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully feed the new mirror's wiring harness through the opening in the door. Align the mirror's 3 mounting studs with the corresponding bolt holes on the door frame. Hand tighten the 3 10mm nuts to secure the mirror, then gently snug them down with your ratchet. Finally, connect the new mirror's electrical harness to the vehicle's wiring, ensuring a secure connection. To finish up, reconnect the door handle cables and the window switch harness to the door panel. Carefully align the door panel clips with their slots and firmly press the panel back into position. Reinstall all Phillips head screws and snap the small trim caps back into place. Before you hit the road, thoroughly test your new mirror's power adjustments, heating elements, and any integrated camera functions to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.